As easy as it is to work with XAMPP, installing it on a PC can sometimes be a little tricky, given that you don't have to just enter a simple command. My name is Yadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we are talking about how you can install XAMPP on a Windows 11 PC. If you're looking to get into web development or want to host a server on your PC, installing XAMPP is an absolute must. The first thing that we're going to do is obviously heading over to the official XAMPP install page, the link for which will be in the description below. So the website is called apachefriends.org. When you head over to the download page, you will see a bunch of installations for Windows, Linux and Mac OS. We are of course going to be working with Windows, and there are 3 download options available. Now these are all different PHP versions and of course different XAMPP versions as well. You can use whichever matches your requirements the best. I'm just going to go ahead with the latest one, which in this case is PHP 8.2.12. So just click on the download button and your download should start any minute now. If it doesn't, feel free to click this button, but okay, we're right here. So I'm just going to save it in my dump folder. It's 150 MB download, so it's going to take a couple of minutes to finish. And XAMPP servers don't exactly come with the best of speeds, as you can see here, because that is not what my internet connection is limited at. Anyways, I will see you in 3 minutes. So as you can see, our download is now finished. So I'm just going to run the executable file. Give it the permissions it needs. Wait for it to launch. Let's head back to the desktop. Alright, so this will give you a warning to start off with, which says that because an activated user account control on your system, some functions XAMPP are possibly restricted. We're just going to ignore this. Now, just follow along with the setup wizard. Don't change anything here. It just installs all the regular files. If you don't want MySQL, Mercury or FileZilla or any of the additional components, you can feel free to uncheck them. But in my opinion, they usually do come in handy. Click next, install it in XAMPP, language going to be English. Click next, and that's it. That's now XAMPP installing on your Windows system. Give it a few minutes, it will install, and then we'll take a look at the control panel. Alright, so as you can see, the installation is now complete and it's asking me if I want to start the control panel now, which we are going to do. So leave this box checked and click finish. Give it a moment, and here is our XAMPP control panel. So as you can see, everything seems to be turned off at the moment. So you can just click the individual buttons in front of each module to run them. So if I want to run the web server, click start. And as you can see, Apache is now running on these 2 ports. If I want to run MySQL, I'll click start again, and this will probably not start because it requires admin privileges once again. So we'll try that once more. And it's running now. Alright, so how do you find if Apache is running? Very simple. Just head over to your web browser, type in localhost, and there it is. That is your XAMPP dashboard. You can also find the local IP address for it somewhere in here, I think. If not, this is most probably going to be 127.0.0.01. Press enter, and yeah. So you can use either localhost or 127.0.0.1 as the IP address, and you can access your dashboard here. If you want to access PHP My Admin, so you can do PHP My Admin here, press enter, and this will work as you'd expect. So you can access your MySQL databases and everything of the like. Now, if you want to configure any of this thing, just click the config button right here. So if I click config, I can change all the different config files. I can change all the config files for MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury, Tomcat, so on and so forth. And that is how easy it is to install XAMPP on a Windows 11 PC. If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below if we can make any other such videos for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website, Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.